How to add background music to WhatsApp status on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add background music to WhatsApp status on iPhone. First, open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Then tap on the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on My Status and choose a picture or video from your gallery or take a new one using the camera. Once the image or video is selected, tap on the music icon at the top of the screen. Now pick a sound from the list of available music tracks. Next, choose the part of the music you want by adjusting the slider. Then tap Done in the top. Now go ahead and post the status, and that's it. Your WhatsApp status will have background music added. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.